have wanted to do this video for some time now, but I was worried it was not going to get enough views. I realized that even the videos I thought were going to get views did not get as much views as I thought they would get, so I might as well just do what I want. I got a new job working at a salon. No, it is not a good news. I don't do too well around people. I do introvert things. I am an introvert. I am going off topic again. So, I started this new job, and as usual, I wear my hair out mostly. And surprisingly, a lot of clients have been asking me what I do to my hair to get it to this state. Even people who have edges ask me questions. One does. They have edges. What else could somebody ask for? Edges. Just when you have edges, you have everything. So I said, let me just make this video so I can send the link to anybody who asks me questions. There is this sentence from a YouTube channel called Shameless Maya. I was one to think before that I could not do a certain number of things because I did not have the money to do them. But one day she said, the less you have, the more creative you have to be. That changed my life for good. That sentence inspired this video. So here is a list of tools and products I have been using on my hair with a little bit of creativity. Let's start with the tools. The first thing on the list is a spray bottle. If you have 1,000 francs to spend, you can buy one. But the one I'm using now, I did not buy it. I just went to visit a friend one day and I noticed the bottle. He had hair product in it. I can't even remember the brand. He had some sort of hair product in it, and I just asked him not to throw the bottle away after using it. This is the bottle. You have probably seen me using it a certain number of times in videos. I not only reuse the plastic bottle, which is good for the planet, but I also save money, which is good for my pockets. You can also use a bottle like this. Yes, it is a liquid soap bottle. What is the purpose of a spray bottle? Is it not to spray? Is it not? This thing does it very well. Who are you forming for? Who are you forming for? If you feel that you need something more presentable, you can just remove these top parts. Remove it and put it in a more presentable bottle. The second thing on the list is a head tie. This is what I mean. I have about 4 or 5 of these. I got them for 300 francs each, but I could have gotten them free. My mother used to have a lot of scarves like this, a lot of them. Most Cameroonian parents also have these hair ties. They get them from meetings such as Jangi. They even get them from ceremonies like burials or weddings. I don't know about other countries, but if you're a Cameroonian, ask your mom about it. She probably has some scarves like that. We are now looking at the white comb. This is the one I have now. I have broken a good number of these, but I still managed to find a way to use them. Even when broken, they cost 500 francs, and they are one of those things that we normally just have in our homes like that. But if you don't want to drag anything with anybody, if like me, you just want to have your own things for yourself, buy it. It's 500 francs. Oh, I almost forgot the plastic bag. This plastic bag. You have seen me use this a good number of times. I started YouTube like 7 months ago, and since then I've been using this one. I just wash it and dry it, then use it the next time. A shower cap is more expensive. It does not work as well, and it does not last as long as this one. This one costs 50 francs. Just 50 francs. Use it as much as possible. It is good for the planet. Let me check. We have used 1,850 francs. We still have a long way to go. Let's enter the products now. The first thing on the product list is a shampoo. You can get this one from 500 francs, but I will not advise you to buy those ones. A good shampoo starts from 2,000 francs. But you can use those 2,000 francs to get black soap that will serve you for about a year. For now, I have been using this shampoo. I just got it because I was feeling extra. You hear me saying it as if it's something special. People be feeling extra and buying cars, and I'll feel extra and buy shampoo. Anyways, any man get 11. The next thing is a deep conditioner. You can buy this mega growth deep conditioner. You have seen me use this on this channel before a good number of times. The first time I bought it from someone who knows me and he gave me for 500 francs. The second time I went there, he did not have it, and I saw it somewhere else. The person asked for 1,500 francs, which is 3 times the initial price. So we are going to work with the 1,500 francs. Don't give more than that though. Now, if you want to buy hair mayonnaise, this is hair mayonnaise. You can try to save on the spray bottle by not buying it, that is 1,000 francs. And on the black soap, you can buy black soap for 1,000 francs instead of 2,000 francs. Added to the 1,500 francs we used to buy the mega good deep conditioner, that makes 3,500 francs, which is the price for the hair mayonnaise. Now you need a conditioner, not to detangle your hair, but to use it as a leave-in conditioner. I have made a video about that. I used 4 different conditioners as leave-in on a period of 1 year. You are definitely going to find the video on my channel. You can get a good conditioner for 2,000 francs. Trust me, it works. The next thing on my list is hair grease. Yes, hair grease. I have been using it for more than a year and I should have started using it sooner. I use this one in particular because it does not have too many ingredients. It has like 4 ingredients. This one costs 2,000 francs. But if you want to use shea butter, go ahead and use it. You can use the same 2,000 francs to buy approximately the same quantity of shea butter. I like to detangle my hair and take down my braids with oil. I also like to add it to my spray bottle. That is why I included oil in this list. And the oil that I like using is palm kernel oil. This is it. It looks solid now because it is really cold here. It's actually raining outside, so I hope you are hearing what I am saying. If you want something lighter, you can definitely buy olive oil for 500 francs. This palm kernel oil in this container is 500 francs. If you check my videos, you'll see that those are the things I've actually been using on my hair. Let nobody fool you. Natural hair care does not have to be expensive. At the end of the day, we are still left with 150 francs. You can use that one to pay transport to go to the market. I don't know how you are going to come back. You can even wait. You can actually walk to the market and pay 150 francs to go back to the house because you'll be carrying bags on your way back home. Thank you for watching. That is all I have for you today. Remember, things are definitely going to get better for this week. They can never stay the same. They can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.